Hey everyone, welcome to YouTube Dev Channel. I hope you all are doing good. And in this video, we will continue with our To-Do app. So you can also code along with me. So without wasting any time, let's start coding. So guys, in this video, we will be coding like our To-Do app component and create To-Do component. Okay, so you guys can also open your editor and code along with me. Okay, so guys, here we write the name of our component, that is to do app, and we export it so that we can import it in another component. Okay, um, yeah, we missed one style, that is we have just an underline. Okay, so it's our heading basically Vue.js to do app. Okay, so okay, ESLint error, let's fix it quickly. Okay, cool. Now let's move ahead to create to do app. Okay, guys, one thing I wanted to tell you that you just change these styles as per mine. Okay, we haven't got this because we need to import it. Okay, we have imported it like the to do app, but we have not rendered it over here. Okay, so we have to write it over here, to do app, and now we can see our results. Okay, so guys, create to do is that component, okay, that plus button on which when you will be clicking, uh, form will get rendered. Okay, so it's that button on which when you will be clicking, a form will open in which you have to enter your to do details. Okay, so let's code. Guys, components, it is an object where you have to specify the name of the component that you are importing. Okay, and you want to render. So yeah, cool, we have got our add button. Okay, so let's code, let's create the form. Okay, this is how our form will look. So let's add the styling, proper styling. Okay, so this is how we add a style. Okay, and here scope mean that the styling that we are going to add within this component, it will only be accessible throughout this component, that is create to do dot view, which means that the styling that we will be applying on the tags. Okay, it will only be accessible for the tags within this current component. Okay, and if we do not write scope, then the styling that we will be doing, it will be globally accessible. Okay, so the, like, suppose if I have written like h1 tag and I have given it like color as red, so in every component, in every component, the places where I will be using h1 tag, okay, so the text will be rendered in red color. So it's better to use scoped if you want like component level styling. Okay, so guys, we got our form and it is looking cool. Okay, so what we have to do next is we have to create like the state, and we have to manage the click events. Okay, like on clicking create, we have to make a function for creating our to do, and or on clicking cancel we have to close the form, and on clicking add button we have to open the form. So let's see how we can manage the state and how we can create the method in Vue.js. So friends, this is the way how you add your state in Vue. Okay, and let's add functions now. Like within this methods object we can add our function to open the form, to close the form, and to create the to-dos. To access your state variable, you can simply access them with the help of this keyword. You just have to write this dot the name of your variable. Okay, so guys, here in send form, first we will validate whether our input box contains the data or not. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we will be emitting an event. So let's see how we emit an event in Vue. Okay, so we do this with the help of this dot dollar emit. Okay, and it takes the event name and the payload that we want to save, that we want to send. Okay, okay, so guys, we have taken done. It is a key, okay, that will be basically we will be using it for to mark our to do as done, to complete our to do. Okay, when we will click on pending in order to complete our to do, then we will be just toggling this key. Okay, so V model is the directive that we use to bind our state value to input box. Okay, like whenever there will be change in like start filling the input box. Okay, the value of those state variables title and info will get changed and it will be rendered on the screen. Okay, so in Vue there is two-way data binding. Okay, so in Vue there is two-way data binding. Here you can see like this. Okay, so now what we have to do is now we have to add event listener on button click. Okay, so how we do it, we use the directive v on. Okay, and with colon we give the name of the event. Okay, so it is click event, and on this button click within the quotes we give the function name that we want to call. Okay, so send form, and on this we have to give close form. Okay, now guys, as you can see, our form is always open, but we do not want that. We want it to only open when we will click this add button. So for that we have vShow directive. Okay, so vShow directive is similar to vIf, like if else condition, but the only difference is that in case of vShow, our our component is basically present in the DOM. Okay, the display portion is just toggled on and off. Okay, so cool. Okay, so remove that thing, we do not need that. So friends, I hope uh, till this portion so friends, I hope till this everything is clear to you. Okay, so friends, this is all for this video, and I think everything is clear to you all. And if there's any confusion regarding the code or any concept, then you can ask me in the comment section. And guys, if you have liked this video, then do show me your support by giving this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.